Hey dudes, more tips and tricks in 2 minutes. In this video, I am going to tell you how to convert the telephoto to wide angle lens. Before that, I tell you what is the difference between wide angle lens and telephone lens. Here you go. This is the difference. Are you getting my point? Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, select our photo, then Ctrl J, duplicate to check before and after our process done. Many professionals use this option. Go to transform and perspective. They can adjust this wider. Yeah, now before and after this conversion we have to work the background manually. Yes, it will be more perfect after that, so we'll do a separate video for this, how to match the background with the image. Now I suggest again select the original one, convert to smart object. We all know that what is the smart object and rasterize object. So in the smart object itself we can adjust the wide angle without dropping any quality and without patchwork any background. So that go to filter, lens correction. On this distortion we have so many options, so go to custom. You don't do anything, just go vertical perspective, just align it, just okay. Yeah, now perfectly changed to wide angle. So now you can see the difference before and after. Yes. So without changing any background you can go by the way. Hope this class will be helpful to you guys. Thanks dude.